The next few lessons I'm going to be talking about the minor scale. Now, to get to the minor scale, you have to know the major scale. I'm going to start off with C major, and you need to know the major scale for this lesson. So if you don't know it, go to lesson 69 where I teach you the C major scale. So we assume you know the C major scale, and we're going to do the relative minor, which starts on the 6th step of the C major scale. So that will be C, D, E, F, G, A. So it's very simple. All you do is you play the notes of the C major scale, but you start on the 6th step, which is the A. Here we go. And descending. So that's all for A minor. Now that's the relative minor of C major, and it's a natural minor, what's called a natural minor. Now if you can also play the same thing over D minor in the thinking in C major. So you start on the 2nd step this time, the D, and you play up the notes of the C major scale to D and back. So you can play over an A minor chord and a D minor chord. So I'll do a little bit of improvising now to show you about this. Really, I'm just using notes from the C major scale, but starting with notes in the A minor chord or the D minor chord helps to establish the sound. Now, if you think of A minor as being the 1 chord, D minor would be the 4 chord. Now what's missing is the 5 chord. Now instead of playing E minor, which you could do in a C, but really you want this dominant 5th sound to take you back to A minor. Now the problem with playing an E is it's got a note in it that is not in the C major scale, a G sharp. So what you can do is when you play, think in C, but sharpen every G. So if I was playing from the A minor, the next note should be G natural. I'm going to sharpen it to G sharp. This tends to give a bit of a Spanish sound to things. What you can also do is sharpen the 4th note as well. So instead of an F, you can play an F sharp. So now we were playing so you sharpen the F sharp, the F to F sharp and the G to G sharp over the E chord. Takes you back to A minor. I hope that makes some kind of sense without going into all of the music harmony of why that works. So there we go, that's the relative minor of C major, A minor. Next time we're going to go on to G major and its relative minor, E minor. See you then.